Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
What are we doing? What the f are we doing? I don't get it. It's a green light. It's a green light. It's a green light. Holy shit.
/Washington Wise. This message comes from seeking clarity in retirement at Jackson.com. Jackson is short for Jackson Financial Inc.
I never heard of it. One of my passions became 20th century American literature.
What are you doing?
So I've read all my day, every single day, no matter how early I have to get up. I begin.
A food center, I was seeing my friends, if they was in the line behind me, I'd be like, oh man, I forgot something. And I would leave line just to wait for them to finish. So I couldn't see. Right, yeah. So they wouldn't see.
Close. You alright, honey?
Just laugh.
I have to have an active driver's license? What the f are these people? What the f are they doing? They high as shit!
Go ahead.
Okay, but like, Marco was talking about how he's friends with all the workers there and stuff.
Those settings are on that thing. That's cool. Don't do it again. Oh shit. What you doing?
What the f are you? And she looked at you like you were crazy.
I know.
They have a specific name. Why are you stopping? Who's honking? Oh, the van? Yeah, like... Oh my gosh. You dumbass! Oh my god. Why did they just try to do that? Your light is red! What is wrong with people? That's crazy. Why?
To Southwestern
We got this like tuna belly thing. Oh shit. I can't see. I hate driving in LA. Oh my god.
Text messages. Mommy Dearest acted like it was her right to get the damage repaired anywhere she...
Oh my god!
Damage repaired anywhere she...
Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.